Chris Rea. I'm a doctoral candidate in the Environmental Health Sciences program. So for my dissertation, I'm working at the Ottawa National Wildlife Refuge on Lake Erie, about midway between Sandusky and Toledo. And we're looking at co-occurrence of avian-associated pathogens in waterways and in recreational water. And then also how a natural wetland environment may serve as a filter to clean water that's flowing out of fields and agricultural areas and into recreational areas. So just sort of the cleansing ability of the wetland and what sort of takes precedence, whether it's these large populations, avian populations, polluting waterways, or whether it's the ability of the wetlands to actually cleanse the waterways before it reaches the recreational area. So basically what we've done is we started in May and we've done weekly sampling of water and Canada goose fecal samples. So starting mid-May and then going to mid-September, we did weekly sampling at the site, and then what we'll do is monthly sampling from here on out until next spring. And so far, basically the preliminary findings indicate that it looks like the ability of the wetland to clean the system out and sort of mediate disease by having a healthy wetland and a good natural ecosystem outweighs the sort of huge populations of birds in the area to contaminate the recreational water. So what we see is basically the water that's coming into the wetland has high levels of E. coli, phosphate, different contaminants, and then as it moves through the wetland, those all drop off to safe levels by the time you get to the beach and the recreational water area. So if we do indeed end up finding the pattern that we sort of see emerging, then kind of the significance of the findings would be that it's better probably for people to go to beaches that are close to natural ecosystems that can actually clean the water out than to go to more urban beaches or beaches that don't have these systems nearby. And it would also promote the idea of either conserving or reestablishing wetlands as a means to clean and filter water, especially in Lake Erie and in this area in particular, western Lake Erie. They have huge problems with algal blooms and just water contamination, especially from agricultural runoff and non-point sources. And so by having intact wetlands, you can actually clean the water before it gets to recreational sites and beaches.